On Saturn's moon Titan, it rains liquid gasoline. Actual flammable hydrocarbon rain falls from thick orange clouds onto dunes of black, frozen sand, and this storm cycle has been running for millions of years without a single drop of water involved. NASA's Cassini spacecraft watched these storms dump enough liquid methane to fill seas the size of the Great Lakes, and Titan is the only place in the entire solar system besides Earth where rivers, lakes, and rain move across a surface in an endless, repeating cycle. Titan circles Saturn once every 16 days, wrapped in an atmosphere thicker than our own, and at -290 degrees Fahrenheit, water freezes into rock-hard ice while methane and ethane behave the way water does back home, evaporating into clouds and falling back down as rain. In 2007, Cassini spotted Ontario Lacus, a lake larger than its Canadian namesake, and later mapped Kraken Mare, a methane sea roughly the size of the Caspian Sea, sloshing with 2-foot waves that scientists never expected a frozen moon to produce, let alone sustain for over a decade of observation. Past the shoreline, Titan's dunes stretch for hundreds of miles across the moon's equator, built not from sand but from frozen hydrocarbon grains with the texture of coffee grounds, piled into ridges taller than the Empire State Building by winds that circle the moon in the opposite direction of its own rotation. Every few years, in a pattern nobody fully predicted before Cassini arrived, thick clouds gather over that equator and dump sudden torrents of liquid gasoline straight onto these dunes, carving channels that look eerily like flash floods cutting through an Arizona desert after a summer storm, then vanishing back into the ground within hours. We post 3 of these every day, so if a moon that rains gasoline just cracked open your idea of what counts as normal, subscribe to get every strange world we cover next. Here's the part that unsettles planetary scientists the most. Those flash floods move enough loose material that the dunes should have flattened into featureless plains within a few thousand years of steady rain. Instead, mission data going back to 2004 shows the same ridges rebuilding themselves in nearly the same shape after every single storm, as though the moon keeps repairing its own landscape on a schedule nobody can fully explain. Ring the bell on this channel right now so you catch the next reveal the moment we post it. In 2034, NASA's Dragonfly rotorcraft is scheduled to touch down near those very dunes, then fly from site to site across Titan sampling the aftermath of that gasoline rain firsthand. It will be hunting for chemistry that looks suspiciously close to the ingredients life needs just to get started, hidden inside a rainstorm that could burn if you struck a match near it. Share this with someone who still thinks rain is just rain.